In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful, hope you all will be good. This is your SST class, and today we are going to start a new unit, unit number 5. And what is the name of this unit? Pakistan Journey. So today we will read about Pakistan Journey. But first you have to take out your this book. This is your SST textbook, and as well as you have to take out your SST skills book. So first we will read the chapter, read the unit in textbook. So open page number 18. Open page number 18. Unit number 5. What is the name of unit number 5? Pakistan Journey. And here are some topics. So we will read these topics today. First topic is Rafi's cousin Hiba. In previous units we have read it about Hiba. Who is Hiba? Hiba is Rafi's cousin. So let's start. Look at this picture. Here is one girl, and the name of this girl is Hiba. This is Rafi's cousin. Who is she? This is Rafi's cousin. Her name is Hiba. What is the name? What is her name? Her name is Hiba. She lives in Islamabad. Where does Rafi live? Rafi lives in Karachi, but Hiba lives in Islamabad. Today she is happy. Why she is happy? Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi to visit Rafi's family. Oh, that's why Hiba is too much happy, because she is coming with her mother to Karachi. Hiba goes to the airport. She lives in Islamabad. That's why she is coming to Karachi from the by the plane. That's why where she goes to the airport. She sees a big plane. Wow, she said. It's like a bird. About which thing she is talking? She is talking about a plane. Look at here. She is saying that it's look like a bird. It's like a bird. Why it's like a bird? Because a plane has a wings, tail. That's why she is saying that it's like a bird. She gets on the plane. It makes a loud noise. Then it goes up. Here is one exercise. So first we will complete it. After that we will start this reading. Complete the words about our flag. So take out your pencil first and sharp your pencil. Look at here. This is a flag, but whose flag is it? This is our country's flag. This is Pakistan flag. And what's the color of this flag? Green and white. So we have to complete these blanks according to this flag. Our FLA dash is here, means we are talking about which thing? We are talking about flag. Our flag. So write here G. Complete the spell of flag. And this color is green. G R E E. What we will write here? N. Green. This is white. W H I. We will write here T E. White. And this is white color. This is green color. This is white color. On our flag there are two things. What are these? This is star and this is moon. We look both these things on the sky in the night. Complete the spell of star as, write here T A R. Read it star. Now this is moon. M O O N. Moon. Now again I am reading these blanks. Our flag. Write here G. Green. Write here N. Do your work with teacher. White. Write here T. Star, right here T. Moon, right here N. Have you complete this page? Now come to page number 19. The second topic is Islamabad from the air. Look at here. Look at this picture. When you will be in plane, then you will look at this place like that. All things are looking too much small. Islamabad from the air. It's looking like that. Can you see here? Here is a mosque. Now come. Hiba looks out of the window and sees Islamabad. She is looking Islamabad from the air. Means she was in plane. That's why she is looking Islamabad from there. She sees lots of tiny houses and straight roads. Look at here. There are many houses and roads are there. She sees the green Margla hills. Here are hills. Here is one exercise, so we have to complete it first. After that, we will move on the page number 20. Circle the correct word in each sentence. Here are some sentences, so we have to complete it. Number 1. Hiba lives in Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi. We have 3 options. So, where does she live? She lives in Islamabad. Make a circle on Islamabad and you will use just pencil. Number 2. Rafi lives in Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi. Rafi lives in Karachi. Make a circle on Karachi. Hiba is Rafi's sister, brother, cousin. She is cousin of Rafi. So make a circle on cousin. Number 4. She goes on a bus, plane, ship. She goes on a plane. Make a circle on plane. Last. From the plane, the houses look big, huge, small. Look at here. All houses are looking too much small. So we will make a circle on small. Now again I am telling you the answers of these sentences. Hiba lives in Islamabad. Rafi lives in Karachi. Hiba is Rafi's cousin. She goes on a plane. From the plane, the houses look small. Now come to page number 20. Next topic is Lahore from the air. Now this is Lahore. Hiba's mother has a map. It's called map. Look Hiba, she says. Who is saying? Hiba's mother is saying to Hiba, look Hiba, this is our country Pakistan. First, we fly to Lahore. The mother is explaining a map to the Hiba that she is telling us. Look at here that she was telling us that first we fly to Lahore. Here is Lahore. Then we fly to Karachi and here is Karachi. They are coming like that. The red line shows our routes. This is red line. Means they are coming in this way. And this thing, who is telling? Hiba's mother is telling to Hiba. After some time, Hiba looks down. She sees the planes. They are very flat. The plane lands in Lahore. She sees the Badshahi Mosque. It is grand. Look at here. This is Badshahi Mosque. This is Badshahi Masjid. Here is a Minar-e-Pakistan also. This is Lahore. The plane takes off. Hiba looks down. The land is very dry. She sees the desert. Then she sees the huge river Indus. Look at here. Now she is looking this thing. Now come to page number 21. Karachi from the air. Now this is Karachi. After some time, Hiba looks down. She sees the sea. This is a sea and a huge city. This is a huge city. Now we are talking about our city, and what is the name of our city is Karachi. It is Karachi. The plane lands. Hiba gets off the plane. She sees lots of people because she is on airport. Hiba, Rafi calls. Here we are. Rafi's mother hugs Hiba. Welcome to Karachi, she says. Who said? Rafi's mother. Now all are happy. Now here is one exercise, so we have to complete it. Complete the sentences. We have some options: the sea, Pakistan, the Badshahi Mosque, and the hills. So we have to complete it. We all live in where we all live. We all live in Pakistan. So complete it. Now I am writing the spell of Pakistan. P A K I S T A N. We all live in Pakistan. In Islamabad, you can see what we can see in Islamabad. We read about the hills. That's why we will write here the hills. There was the Marbella Hills. We were talking about that. So we will write here the hills. T-H-E, the. H-I-L-L-S, hills. In Lahore, you can see which thing we saw in the Lahore map, the Badshahi Mosque. So T H E the. Are you writing with teacher? And do your work with pencil. B will be capital because it's a name. That's why you will write capital B. B A D S H A H I. Badshahi. M will be also capital. M O S Q U E. These all words are given here. So you can check the spell from here. In Karachi, you can see the sea. T H E the. Then you will give some gap. S E A. C. Now you will complete this page, page number 21. In this chapter, you have to complete page number 18, page number 19 and page number 21. Now take out your SST text, SST skills book and you have to open page number 20. Sorry, first we will complete page number 18. So open page number 18, you will write today's date and homework because you are working at home, that's why you will write homework. Color the land transport red, color air transport yellow, color water transport blue. Means in this unit we are learning about air, land and sea. So they have told you about the coloring, that which color will you fill in which vehicle. So you have to read it, after that you will fill the color and you will fill correct color. Okay students, now here are some options: car, helicopter, boat, ship, bus, plane, and we have some pictures, so we have to write the name of this picture. Car name is written here. What is this? This is helicopter. Helicopter spelling is here, so that's why you will copy from here. And this is air transport, that's why you will fill which color? Air transport, you will fill yellow color. Here is boat, spelling is given here, so you will copy from here. And this is water transport. That's why you will fill here blue color. Here is ship, spelling is here, blue color, land transport, bus, red color. Plane is also air transport, so you will fill yellow color. Now come to exercise B, match. Here is plane, here is bird. So what will you do? This is called wing. It's done. So you will match it. This is tail of plane and this is tail of bird. So you will match in this. Done, students. Now come to page number 19. We are not completing page number 19, so take out page number 20. On page number 20, we will complete just exercise B and C. We will not complete exercise A. So we will start just this exercise, match. Heels first is done. We will start from second. Planes are flat, match with flat. 3 deserts are dry. Fourth, C, wet. Exercise C, write huge, big, small or tiny. Now look at here. Which thing is looking huge? Plane is huge. Spelling is given here. So what will you do? Spellings are here. That's why I am not telling you. You will copy it from here. It's looking tiny in size. That's why you will write it tiny. Car is small. Bus is big and plane is huge. Okay, student, do it carefully. On this page, we are completing just exercise B and C. Now, page number 21. Come to page number 21. Love of our country. What we will do? Match. On this page, we have to means in exercise A, we will just match these things. Karachi, Islamabad and Lahore, and there are some place things. Here is a mosque, so this is in Islamabad, and here are plains. Lahore, we will match it from the Lahore. Look at here, here is C. It means this is Karachi, so match it from the Karachi. Now come to exercise B. Complete the sentences. Heels, C, plains. I am not reading this spellings are given here, so that's why you will just copy it from here. I am just telling you the answer. Islamabad is near the hills. Lahore is near the plains. Karachi is near the sea. What will you do in SST skills book? You have to complete page number 18. This is your page number 18. On this page, you will write these things name and as well as you have to fill the colors. But you will fill only these colors which are mentioned here. And after that, you have to complete page number 20 and page number 21. Now I am telling you some copy working of this unit. This is unit number 5. First you will make a title page, unit number 5, Pakistan journey. After that, you will start question answer. There are just 3 question answer in this unit. Name any 2 sea transport. I am telling you just 2 things name. If you want to write any other, you can write ship and boat. Name any 2 air transport. Aeroplane, helicopter. And the third is name any 5 land transport. Car, bike, truck, bus and cycle. Do this work neat and clean, and here is one interesting work for you. What will you do? Draw and color Pakistan flag. You have to draw here Pakistan flag. After that, you will fill color. Okay, student, now you will complete this. You will complete this all working, and you have to complete the copy work You will read this chapter again. Hope you all understood this chapter. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.